In this video, I will reveal the secrets to unlocking wealth and abundance in your life by removing 4 specific things from your home. These are not ordinary items. They are deeply rooted in ancient traditions and carry energies that can block the flow of prosperity. If you're ready to embrace the path to millions of dollars and unimaginable success, listen closely. The instructions in this video are simple but powerful, and following them could transform your life in ways you never imagined. Every object in your home holds energy. Some of it propels you toward your goals, while other objects silently drag you down. When I started eliminating certain items from my living space, I witnessed incredible changes. Opportunities appeared, financial stability improved, and my life became aligned with my dreams. The changes were almost magical, and I want you to experience this too. The first item to remove is symbols of brokenness or damage, such as cracked mirrors, chipped vases, or broken clocks. In Eastern traditions, broken items are believed to trap stagnant and negative energy, blocking the flow of good fortune. They symbolize disharmony and can subconsciously influence your state of mind. Discard them with gratitude. Thank these objects for their service before letting them go. This act of appreciation releases any lingering energy they hold and makes room for abundance to flow freely. The second thing to eliminate is objects that evoke sadness or suffering, such as artwork with melancholic themes, old photographs tied to difficult memories, or decorative items associated with losses or hardships. In many Eastern philosophies, these objects act as energetic anchors, keeping you tied to a past filled with pain or loss. Surrounding yourself with these items can subconsciously maintain an atmosphere of emotional stagnation and block the flow of positivity and prosperity. Let go of these items with gratitude for the lessons they represent, and replace them with objects that inspire joy, hope, and abundance. Next, remove wilted plants or dried flowers. In many Eastern philosophies, these are seen as symbols of decay and stagnation, representing energy that is no longer vibrant or alive. Keeping them in your home can block new growth and opportunities from entering your life. Replace them with fresh, thriving plants or beautiful arrangements that breathe life into your space. This simple act symbolizes renewal and abundance, aligning your home's energy with the vitality and prosperity you seek. Finally, rid your home of unwanted gifts or inherited items that carry negative memories. These objects may come with emotional baggage that subtly weighs on your spirit. In many traditions, it's believed that such items can harbor the energy of past struggles or hardships, transferring them into your present life. If these items no longer serve you, release them. Donate or responsibly discard them, allowing new and positive energy to fill the space they leave behind. By removing these 4 items from your home, you are not just decluttering your space, you are clearing the path for wealth, happiness, and harmony to enter your life. Take these actions with intention, gratitude, and belief in the power of transformation. As you do, visualize the abundance you desire and trust that the universe will reward your efforts. Prepare to witness miracles as your life becomes aligned with the energy of success and prosperity. When you come home, think of your house as your sanctuary, a place where positive energy should thrive. One habit that can help maintain this energy is letting go of items that no longer serve you. By doing so, you clear the path for prosperity, abundance, and incredible opportunities. Let's focus on creating an environment that supports wealth and harmony in your life. The first habit to embrace is letting go of objects tied to the past, such as clothes or belongings of those who have passed away. While it's natural to cherish memories, holding on to such items can trap you in emotional stagnation. Ancient traditions teach us that these objects carry energies tied to their former owners, which can block fresh and positive energy from entering your life. Releasing them doesn't mean forgetting loved ones. Instead, it's about honoring their memory while freeing yourself to move forward. Allow your living space to reflect who you are now, not who you were in the past. By letting go, you create room for new, joyful memories and opportunities. Next, consider the impact of clutter and disorganization on your home's energy. Clutter restricts the flow of positive vibrations and creates unnecessary mental and physical barriers. Keep your house tidy and harmonious. Open your windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, which are natural purifiers of energy. Infuse your space with life by adding vibrant plants that bring joy and vitality. Even small rituals, like making your bed each morning with gratitude, can set the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. Remember, it's not about luxury. It's about maintaining energy in motion. A clean, organized home encourages abundance and allows opportunities to flow freely. Additionally, pay attention to decorative items that evoke sadness or suffering. Paintings, ornaments, or photos with melancholic themes may subtly bring negative emotions into your space. Replace them with uplifting objects that inspire hope and joy. Surrounding yourself with positivity helps align your energy with your goals and dreams. As you create this nurturing environment, you'll notice a shift in how you feel: lighter, more optimistic, and ready to embrace new possibilities. Finally, focus on outdated or symbolic objects that no longer align with your current energy. Items such as worn-out mementos, old trinkets, or souvenirs from challenging times can carry vibrations that weigh you down. Letting go of these objects is a way of closing old chapters and inviting new, exciting ones into your life. Treat this process as an act of self-care and personal transformation, knowing that every step you take moves you closer to the abundance you seek. As you implement these changes, visualize the life you desire: financial success, happiness, and harmony. Believe that your actions are creating space for miracles to manifest. You'll begin to notice the difference immediately. Your home will feel brighter, your mind clearer, and your energy more focused. When you align your physical space with your aspirations, it's like setting the stage for extraordinary events to unfold. Remember, creating a harmonious home is not about perfection or expense. It's about intention. Whether by decluttering, letting go of outdated belongings, or embracing positive rituals, these small yet powerful changes can transform your life. Take action today and watch how your home becomes a magnet for prosperity, joy, and endless opportunities. Your environment is a reflection of your energy, so nurture it and let the magic unfold. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to Via Perennis to continue learning and growing. May your journey be blessed with abundance and joy. Thank you for watching.